Do you want to move to Saudi Arabia? Are you thinking about moving to Saudi Arabia? Have you started the process yet? No? I've actually started the process 2 months ago. The process is very, very difficult. Let me tell you this. It's not easy. There is a lot of documentation required, there is a lot of steps, and you need to do these steps in certain sequence. So today I have now covered all these steps, almost 95%. So now I'm in a position to make a video and tell you what those steps are. So please watch this video, follow the steps, take some notes, and these are the steps. If you are doing intra-company transfer, if you find a job, or you want to just process on yourself any immigration from any country, Europe, America, UK, GCC countries, Asia countries, anywhere in the world, these are the processes and these are the documents you would need. So I'm sure it will be helpful for many people who are thinking moving to Saudi Arabia. And I think it's a great country. There is great opportunities, and there's so much there to learn. So I'm very excited. Please watch this video with me, as I want to cover the entire process from the employer side and as well as from the employee side in this one video. First of all, I want to discuss the employer documents required for this process. Block visa. Block visas are quotas issued by the Saudi Ministry of Labor that permit entities to sponsor foreign national employees for long-term work authorization. They also determine the candidate's visa filing location. The job title in the block visa should be determined based on the applicant's qualifications, job rules, and the company activities listed on the CR. 2. Employment contract. The contract should include the applicant's name, nationality, passport number, and block visa number. It must be signed by both parties and attested by Saudi Chamber of Commerce COC and MOFA. The third document is visa support letter. The visa support letter must be addressed to the Saudi consulate of the country of visa filing, attested by Chamber of Commerce COC and MOFA. The fourth document is E-Wakala. The E-Wakala will need to be issued to either the authorized agent, if you have agent, or to you. The fifth document is commercial registry CR in Europe or in China, for example. They require a copy of the CR to be submitted with the application. Now, let's cover what document is required from you, means employee. Before starting the visa process, make sure that you have all the required documents ready because you will be required to upload all the documents online. Here are the list of documents required. Original passport and photocopy. Passport validity should be over 6 months with at least has 2 blank pages and bear no stamps to Israel. The second document is original and copy of the legalized degree, attested by the Saudi Arabia cultural at the country of issuance of the document. Transcripts page of degree will be required for the legalization of the education certificate in some countries. The third document is medical examination report from authorized hospital. The medical report can be obtained from country of citizenship or country of valid residency. By the way, the report must be attested. The fourth document is police clearance certificate PCC. The PCC can be obtained from country of citizenship or country of valid residency and must be attested. The other requirements, such as passport size photograph with a white background. Visa application form with your declaration, if applying from Europe, Canada, USA. Also copy of valid GCC residence visa page. If you are resident in and applying from GCC, the GCC or Gulf Cooperation Council is a regional group of 6 countries in the Middle East that work together on politics, economy, and culture. These countries are Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, and Bahrain. Note: travel documents must be clean, should not have any restrictions or conditions which prevent them from traveling. No objection letter from the GCC sponsor if you are a resident of GCC. You may be required to secure the SCE if the job title is registered in the C list. You may also require attending biometrics to get issued.
Now we will discuss about the entire process. The first step is degree legalization, and for that you will need copy of the passport and original degree certificate. From some countries you may check where you are, an original or copy of the attested employment contract is required. An attested support letter from the sponsor and PCC is also required. It's not just that, you need to legalize the degree. Average processing time for that is 2 to 3 weeks. You would need below 2 legalized degree, copy of the passport, original degree certificate. For some countries, an original or copy of the attested employment contract is required to legalize degree. During my application process, I was asked for all these to be able to proceed with the verification process. And be sure that police clearance is required for everything, so make sure you have that to hand. Online verification through Mossadaka platform or QVP platform is required, and this could take easily 2 to 3 weeks. Please note some documents' average processing time could take up to 4 or 6 weeks, depend from which country the verification is required and how long they take to process it. They must all be stamped by Saudi Arabia Cultural Attaché SACA or Saudi Arabia Cultural Bureau SACP. If there is no SACA or SACP in the degree issuing country, this step is skipped and only an apostille is required. An apostille is basically an international stamp that proves your document is genuine, and for the Saudi visa process it's used only if your country doesn't have a Saudi Cultural Bureau. Apostille stamp would be from competent authority, usually by MOFA, and once that is done, your degree is legalized. Once the degree is legalized and you are applying on your own, you will submit it for visa process. Intra-company transfer would be your employer legal team to submit the application online along with the supporting documents for you. Once the application is submitted, the consulate will verify the documents. If everything is in order, the consulate will issue the visa and send it to the country you apply from. You will receive a notification to attend the consulate for visa stamping. After collecting passport with visa stamp, you need to arrive in Saudi Arabia. What are the work visa post-arrival steps? I am sure you will be interested to know. First, buy an air ticket. Note that visa is usually for 3 months and it's single entry. So you need to have all documents ready for post-arrival process. Keep watching this video as I will provide all you need for the next steps. First, you need a SIM card at the entry. The SIM shall be registered under your name and your border number. Getting SIM is very important step, as all your one-time passcode will be delivered to via the mobile number for verification and registration purpose. The step 2 is attend a medical test. You need to attend a medical test in a Saudi hospital. Any hospital in Saudi will be good, as long as authorized to do the test. The test result will be sent automatically to GOSI. You will receive an SMS notification once the result is sent. That's why SIM is important. Step 3. Apply for medical insurance. The employer should secure medical insurance for you. Insurance shall be linked against your border number. Step 4. Secure work permit from Qiwa. The work permit shall be secured from the Qiwa portal and settled via SADID number through the bank. Please note, as per the new Qiwa system, a work permit can be settled via Visa card immediately from the portal. Iqama fees must be paid, and if you're sponsored, your employer usually covers them. Step 5. Issue Iqama. Once the medical insurance is secured and the medical test result is sent, then they can issue the Iqama from Qiwa and secure Iqama printing. At this stage we have few more steps, some from employee and some from employers, after when you have the Iqama. First, you will activate of Absher account and second bank account. If you don't know what Absher is, let me tell you. On this account you can renew or check your Iqama, pay traffic fines, book appointments for GOSI or other services, issue exit or entry visas, link your SIM card and other services, so it's your one-stop for everything. We are still not done here. There's still some steps from the employer side still need to be completed. Let's look at them. First, authenticate the employer contract visa Qiwa. Second, update your salary in GOSI. GOSI is Saudi Arabia's social insurance system that tracks salaries, pensions, and contributions.
So this is the complete process. So I am personally, in my situation, there about 90% on the process. There's still 10% to go for me. So I will be documenting my journey step by step until I arrive in Saudi Arabia, and then show you the life, the culture. So if you're interested, please follow me and please follow my journey. Thank you so much for watching my videos and putting your nice questions and comments, which encourages me to make more videos. Thanks again. Have a lovely time.